Hi, it's me again, Teacher Paul. Today, we're going to have a test for Pratom 3. So we're going to have a test for Pratom 3, okay? So P3 student, please get ready and get your test paper, and please don't forget to write your name. Write your name, student number, and the name of your school, Banmai School. All right? So part 1, listening for 15 points. Listening for 15 points. Direction. Listen and circle the word read by the teacher. Listen and circle the word read by the teacher. Okay? So let's start. Number 1. For number 1, the word is wash. Again, wash. So, number 1, bonus point. All right? So, what you need to do is circle the word read by the teacher. So, where is the word wash? So, this is the word wash. So, circle the word wash. All right? So, number 1 is bonus point. Okay, let's continue. Number 2. Number 2, earache. Earache. Number 3, 15. 15. Number 4, 50. Number 4, 50. Number 5, gloves. Number 5, gloves. Number 6, usually. Number 6, usually. Number 7, paint. Number 7, paint. 8, scarf. Number 8, scarf. 9, number 9, necklace. Necklace. 10, orange. Number 10, orange. 11, limes. 11, limes. 12, bottle. Number 12, bottle. 13, butter. Number 13, butter. 14, flu. Number 14, flu. 15, day. 15, day. All right? So let's proceed to part 2. Part 2, which is multiple choice for 15 points. All right? So circle the letter of the correct answer. So you need to circle the letter of the correct answer. All right. So let's continue. Number 1. Number 1. What's the matter with Somchai? What's the matter with Somchai? A. He has a toothache. B. He has a sore throat. C. He has a stomach ache. Or D. He has a broken leg. What's the matter with Somchai? Okay, bonus point. He has a broken leg. Circle the letter. He has a broken leg. Okay, number 2. Number 2. What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? A, it's 7:15 p.m. B, it's 10:30 p.m. C, it's 4:50 p.m. Or D, it's 2:45 p.m. Number three. What is Malini wearing? What is Malini wearing? A, she's wearing a coat and shorts. B, she's wearing a dress and a hat. C, she's wearing a shirt and a skirt. D, she's wearing a raincoat and boots. Number 4, what would you like to buy? What would you like to buy? A, I would like to buy cherries. B, I would like to buy chips. C, I would like to buy papayas. Or D, I would like to buy eggs. Number 5, how often do you listen to music? How often do you listen to music? A, I never listen to music. I never listen to music. B, I sometimes listen to music. C, I usually listen to music. Or D, I always listen to music. Number 6, what time do you usually have lunch? What time do you usually have lunch? A, 11:15. B, 11:30. C, 11:25. Or D, 11:45. Number 7, conversation between A and B. All right? A, are these your gold earrings? Are these your gold earrings? Yes, they are blank earrings. Yes, they are blank earrings. A, I. B, me. C, my. Or D, mine. All right, number 8. Number 8. How much is a bottle of ketchup? How much is a bottle of ketchup? Where's the bottle of ketchup? A, it's 12 baht. 12 baht. B, it's 20 baht. C, it's 23 baht. Or D, it's 35 baht. Number 9. What should we do to stay healthy? What should we do to stay healthy? A, we should sleep early. B, we should exercise once a month. C, we should drink cola every day. Or D, we should always eat burger for breakfast. Number 10. What's the matter with them? What's the matter with them? A, she has a fever. B, he has a fever. C, they have a fever. Or D, we have a fever. Number 11. What's your hobby? What's your hobby? A, I collect stickers. B, I make origami. C, I take photos. D, I collect playing cards. Number 12. Number 12. How many dozen of eggs do you want? How many dozen of eggs do you want? A, I want a dozen of eggs. B, I want 2 dozen of eggs. C, I want 3 dozen of eggs. Or D, I want 4 dozen of eggs. Number 13. Number 13. Conversation between A and B. All right? A. What is Mali wearing? What is Mali wearing? She is wearing blank. She is wearing blank. A ring. B, a necklace. C, a watch. Or C, a bracelet. Number 14. Number 14. Does Charon have the flu? Does Charon have the flu? A, yes, she does. B, yes, he does. C, yes, they do. Or D, yes, we do. Number 15. Conversation between A and B. What time does she usually go to bed? What time does she usually go to bed? She goes to bed at blank. A, 8:30. B, 9:15. C, 9:15. Or D, 10 minutes past 11. All right. So now let's proceed to part 3, which is matching for 15 points. So for set 1, direction, match the time in column 1 to the clocks in column 2. So match the time in column 1 to the clocks in column 2. So for column 1, this is column 1, column 1, which is the time, and for column 2, it's the clock. All right? It's the clock. All right. So Teacher Paul will read column 1, and you're going to match column 1 to column 2. Column 1 to column 2. All right? So number 1, a quarter to 8. A quarter to 8. A, B, C, D, or E. Number 2, 10:30. Where is 10:30? A, B, C, D, or E. Number 3, 5 minutes past 9. 5 minutes past 9. Number 4, a quarter past 3. A quarter past 3. And number 5, 10 minutes to 12. 10 minutes to 12. All right. So for test 2, so this is for set 2. So for set 2, direction. For the direction, match the quantifier in column 1 to the food chain in column 2. Write the letter of the answer on the space. All right? All right. So this is column 1. the quantifiers, and column 2, the food, to the food column. All right. Okay. Number 6, a dozen. A dozen. A, rice. B, chips. C, eggs. D, tuna. Or E, ketchup. Number 7, a pack of A, rice. B, chips. C, eggs. Or D, tuna. Or E, ketchup. A pack of blank. Number 8, a bottle of A, rice. B, chips. C, eggs. D, tuna. Or E, ketchup. Number 9, a sack of A, rice. B, chips. C, eggs. D, tuna. Or E, ketchup. And number 10, a can of Okay, set 3. For set 3, match the words in column 1 to the picture in column 2. Match the words in column 1 to the picture in column 2. All right, this is column 1 and column 2. All right? Number 1, sunglasses. Number 1, sunglasses. Number 2, a watch. Number 2, a watch. Number 13, a bow. Number 13, a bow. And number 14, a ring. A ring. Number 14. And number 15, a necklace. A necklace. Very good. All right. Now let's proceed to part 4. The part 4, which is the reading comprehension for 15 points. All right. So set A, direction, use the words in the box to complete the conversation. So what are the words in the box? The first word is hobby. Again, hobby. Photos. Cards. Collection. And the last one, 350 or 350. All right, so let's start. Okay, number 1, Malini. So this is a conversation between Malini and Somchai. All right, number 1, Malini. Somchai, what's your blank? Somchai, what's your blank? What's your answer? Hobby, photos, cards, collection, or 350? Number 2, Somchai. Oh, I love to collect playing blanks. How about you? Again, oh, I love to collect playing blanks. How about you? Number 3, by Malini. I like to take blank. I like to take blank. How many cards do you have in your collection? How many cards do you have in your collection? Now it's Somchai's turn. I've got blank cards. I've got blank cards. And number 5, it's Malini. Wow, can you show me your blank? Can you show me your blank? Of course. Let's go. All right. Now, last part. Set B. Set B. So, set B, read the passage below and answer the questions that follows. Write the answer on the space provided. 2 points each. All right? So let's read the story or the passage. Please read after me. Please read after me. All right? Hello. My name is Somchai. I am a student. I usually get up at 5:30 in the morning. I usually take a bath at 5:40. Then I have my breakfast. I usually have cereals and toast. I also drink a glass of juice. After I pack my bag, I wait for the school bus in front of our house. The bus usually arrives at 6:20. I arrive at school at 7 o'clock. All right? Number 6. Okay, number 6. What time does Somchai usually get up? What time does Somchai usually get up? Number 7. What does he usually do at 5:40 in the morning? What does he usually do at 5:40 in the morning? Number 8. What does he usually have for breakfast? What does he usually have for breakfast? Number 9. Where does he wait for the bus? Where does he wait for the bus? Number 10. What time does he usually arrive at school? What time does he usually arrive at school? All right. Okay. So we're done with our tests. So please don't forget to send me the copy of your answer sheet. All right. So thank you very much, and see you again in on my next video. Thank you very much and goodbye.